I'm in my living room right now, attempting to build the box spring of my bed. Yeah, the bed frame, box spring, whatever. I have to say I'm not big on building stuff, which is a me problem. I need to do that to be more self-sufficient. Here are the instructions. And we are going to do this because I do want to have it on my, or under my mattress. My mattress is already in my room. So let us get into it. Huh? I love it. I built the box spring right here. And I mean, I just did it in very quickly, which is good. That took way too long. I also, oh my God, the plumber came to fix my cold water because it wasn't working last night, which resulted in, he was here for like 3 hours. He was here for a long time fixing it. It's fixed now, but it honestly derailed my day because I had plans to do other things. It's not like I was here touring apartments and I got to do an empty apartment tour before I moved in. That didn't really happen. I got the keys on the day I moved in, and I moved in and all that. So we're just doing what we can at this point. I need to take a break. I need to go outside. I need fresh air. I think I'm gonna go buy a vacuum. One of the Dyson vacuums. I've always wanted one. And if you can see, the floor is a mess because of the box spring. So I think I'm gonna go do that. It'll give me an excuse to go walk, to take some of the cardboard down. I just hate clutter. I hate clutter. So yeah, but I am waiting for a package. So I'm like, do I wait for the package and then go? But then I don't know when it's coming. I think I need to just go because I want to go while it's still light outside. Know that I'm very type A, and when I see something, I must do it. Even though I do have other shit to do. I'm like, no, I need to do this now. I mean, it really doesn't have to be, oh, do I have to take all these off? Guys, should I have read the instructions? Yes. But I was like, oh, I got this. I know what I'm doing. This is the heaviest part of it. Like this thing, which makes sense. Show you guys what I did. Looks so pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get another closet rod here so that I have double the amount I can put in here. Okay, y'all, we are adding furniture today. We're going to pretty much fill the entire living room. Pretty much. There's still things that are missing, but I have a rug. I have my floor lamp, as you can see right there. I have my desk chair. I don't have a desk yet. My sofa is downstairs. I won't be able to carry that by myself, but we'll see. This is gonna be in parts, so we'll see what we get. putting together art. We're eating pizzas on the ground, watching YouTube as well. So enjoy the montage. Prints. There's more over here. Bar cart. So that's the project for today. And I'm watching YouTube right now. I didn't realize, I mean, I've never done this process by myself, so I'm learning that this is a lot of work and it cannot be done in one day, and there's just a lot of moving parts, but we got this. We got this. Okay, look at how cute they are. These are the ones for the bedroom. So there's 5. My little disco ball, and then now we're gonna get these done. So there's 7 prints in total. We're gonna give a progress report on the status of the apartment. Today's been a day. There's boxes everywhere. I just walked 4 sets of boxes down. I have more, but I wanted to give an update. Also, I need to go take a walk because I've been inside the entire day, but progress has been made. All right. Well, we still have to build the bar cart. Doesn't look too hard. We have all these prints that I have finished. They're so gorge. So stunning, all from Desenio. I have a link and a code in the description. These 2, which are the biggest 2 frames, just the frames, they arrived damaged, unfortunately, so the brand is gonna send me a replacement for those 2, but all the other ones I have put in. Then we're in here now. Here is part 1 of the couch. Part 2 is in here. I'm gonna take them out right now. And then we're gonna throw all that away. And then I just got my floor mirror. Yay. She's stunning. I'm gonna put it over there, right there. So it's gonna look great. I have to obviously clean it, but I just took it out of the box and walked that downstairs. Yeah, things are coming along. Oh, I also got my ottoman, my little ottoman that I'm gonna have as the seat for my vanity, and my vanity is gonna go right here. This is actually my vanity in here, so I need to build that. Not today, probably tomorrow or Sunday, and then I'm gonna have my little vanity mirror mounted on this wall. So vanity is gonna go here. Dining, which I still have yet to get dining. So that's pretty much one of the last things I still need to get is a dining table and chairs. And then I need a desk, like a working desk. So I need to get one to put here in that corner actually. Yes, I think I'm making a really good amount of progress for getting here only 2 days ago, and I obviously ordered a lot of things ahead of time, which is great. So, you know, I have stuff. And so I can start feeling like I actually live here because there's actually stuff here. So that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to put the couch together. I know it's like a 2-piece thing. We'll see how that goes. Here, this is all the PR I've gotten so far from brands that I need to go through, but I told myself I am not going through them until I am done with all this, because that is something that can wait, because I want to make sure that my space is ready to go. Then I can do the fun stuff of opening brand packages and stuff like that. So more to come, more to come.